Hey guys, I'm Jamie and I work at IQ. Thank you so much for tuning in. So, most of you probably wear glasses. Therefore, you know all the hassles that come along with getting new glasses. From making the appointment, driving to the doctor's office, killing time in the waiting room, just to be told that you have to spend over $300 on a new pair of glasses. I'm here to let you in on a secret. There is a better way. So, most of you may know that you can order glasses online, but did you know that you could order glasses online without a prescription? I'm here to let you know how to do that in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Order the IQ Vision Check from iq.com. You know when you go to the eye doctor and they sit you down at that big machine and you stare through it and you see that little red barn? Then it makes this crazy sound like chicka chicka chicka. That's called an autorefractor. Basically, IQ has been able to create a smartphone-powered refraction test that gives you the ability to test your eyes from at home, anywhere, anytime, for a lot less money. Once you receive your IQ Vision Check in the mail, you'll download the app and attach it to your smartphone and start testing. If you want to learn more about how to use the Vision Check, just click the link below. The vision tests are pretty simple. Once you have the device attached to your smartphone, you'll bring it up to your face, identify a red and green line, and then begin tapping the touch sensors at the top of the device to overlap to make one yellow line. You'll do this several times for each eye. After you finish 3 tests on the IQ Vision Check, you'll get a result called EyeGlass Numbers. EyeGlass Numbers are in a similar format to your prescription, and those are the values that you'll use to order new glasses online. For those who don't know what pupillary distance is the center between your pupils measured in millimeters. This is an important value to order glasses online. While there are various ways to measure your pupillary distance, Vision Check includes a set of PD check frames, which allow you to measure your PD with a simple selfie. To watch the tutorial link on how PD Check works, just click below. You can take your eyeglass numbers and your pupillary distance to order glasses online from any of these online eyeglass retailers. Alright guys, I'm super excited because I just got my glasses and they're pretty darn cute if you ask me, but let's see if I can actually see out of them. Yes, oh my goodness. So it's literally as easy as that. Ordering glasses online without a prescription, this is a thing now. So if you guys want any more helpful tips on eye care, be sure to like, follow, and share our page by clicking below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.